dilate by a factor of 2 from the x-axis. In mapping notation, I say that x, y maps to something. And if there's no change, it would map to x and y. So x maps to x and y maps to y. If I'm doing a dilation by a factor of 2 from the x-axis, which one of those is this one here? Did the x values change?
No. No.
Did the x value change? Did the x value change? So, x maps to x. Whatever x was stays as x. Whatever x was stays as x. What happened to the y value?
Down.
Times by 2. If that was -1, it became -2. If that was -0.8, it became -1.6. If that was 2, it became 4. So, y becomes 2y. In mapping notation. If I have a dilation by a factor of 2 from the y-axis, what's the mapping notation?
2x.
2x and y as the mapping notation. Is that okay how that is? Because for the second one, my x was here at say -2 and it got moved to -4. If my x was here at -1.6, it got moved to -3.2. It got doubled. But the y value stayed the same because we're on the same height. Is that okay? So that's a mapping notation for dilations. If I was going to translate left 2 units, right 2 units, up 2 units, down 2 units. What's a translation?
Moving it.
Just picking it up and moving it. Does the shape change?
No.
So the dilation doesn't change. Does it have the same orientation? It just gets moved sideways or up and down. So if I move something to the left 2 units, if I move this to the left 2 units, it ends up over there, doesn't it? And everything gets moved over 2 units. So if I'm doing the mapping notation of going left 2 units, what does x, y become?
X minus 2. Y.
X minus 2 and y. The y coordinate doesn't change, but the x coordinate had 2 subtracted from it. Is that okay? If we went 2 units to the right, what does x, y map to?
X plus 2.
X and y.
No.
Oh.
X plus 2.
X plus 2. Huh. It's messy. Don't like it messy. Is that okay? What if I go up 2 units? X and y plus 2 and x, y maps to x and y minus 2. Is that too messy or is that okay? Okay, that's what the mapping notation. The mapping notation is exactly as you see it. It's as you see it. If it says 2x, then the x value has been doubled. If it says 2y, the y value has been doubled. If it says y minus 2, the y value has 2 subtracted from it. And it's going down, it makes sense, and it's all as we expect with our mapping notation. What if I reflect over the x-axis? What's up here then goes down there, and what was down there then goes up to the top. If I was to take that purple parabola and reflect it